Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken and stuffing in a Ninja Foodi. Alright, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi. I'm going to place a cup of water in it, in the bottom. And I'm going to take a stoneware pressure cooker safe plate. If yours comes with a rack, you can also put that in. I'm putting this in to raise the pan we're putting in up off the bottom of the water, or off the bottom of the pan so no water gets in. I have a springform pan here. I spray with some olive oil. And I have 3 nice sized chicken breasts in there. Now I'm going to take a box of chicken stuffing, chicken flavored stuffing, and I'm going to dump this in over top of the chicken. I just want to spread it out. My springform pan isn't very high. If you have a glass stoneware or stoneware dish that will fit in there that's higher, that would be best. But I got to use what I have. Alright, now I'm going to add a cup and a half of water over top of the stuffing in the chicken. And I'm hoping my springform pan doesn't leak the water out. It's sealed pretty tight. And I'm going to take a 14.5 ounce can of green beans, sprinkle it over top of the chicken and the stuffing, and being careful not to spill any over. We don't want to waste it. And the reason you put this in a separate container on top of a plate or a rack is because you don't want the pressure cooker to burn anything. This way it'll more or less steam it. Now I'm going to take some jarred chicken gravy and I'm going to dump that over top of the works. This here is a 18 ounce jar. But a 14 ounce jar will work just fine. This is just all I could get at the store. And I'm going to dump it on here just till we cover everything. We don't want to overflow it. Which is going to hold that whole jar. That's good. That's more goodness down in the pot. Alright. Let me grab a towel and wipe my hand. Now I'm going to close this down. And I'm going to slide the selector. Alright, I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to slide the selector over to the pressure cooker setting. Now it's set on high. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 12 minutes. After the 12 minutes are up, we'll do a quick release of the pressure. Let me make sure my pressure valve is closed up top. Alright, this is done. I let this sit for 5 minutes to get some residual cooking done and to cool it down just a bit. Now I'm not going to undo that springform because that will go everywhere. I'm just going to serve it out of there. And what I had to do, it won't come up to pressure because that cup of water just wasn't enough. So I suggest putting at least 2 cups of water in there. As long as it doesn't come up to the bottom of your pan, you're in good shape because it just dried out before it got enough steam built up to come to pressure. So let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. I'm going to start with this chicken. I put a little bit of that gravy over top of the chicken. And I sliced my chicken up. If you want, you can put a whole piece on the plate and slice it as you eat. I'll just eat this whole piece. Tender, moist. That gravy gives it a nice flavor. And I'll try a little bit of stuffing with the gravy in it. It's really delicious. And now some green beans. They kept their texture, they're not mush, they're really delicious. Guys, that's a really quick, easy one-pot meal. Chicken and stuffing in a Ninja Foodi. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.